Until now, security agencies in the country are working hard to see that no chance or loophole is left for terrorists to strike Uganda again. Yesterday, police in Buikwe intercepted a commuter taxi which was carrying two women of Somali origin who are under custody. They were found in presence of suspected explosive devices. The UPDF spokesperson Colonel Pade Nkunda tells us that intertwined security intelligence units under their umbrella coordinating organ, the Joint Intelligence Committee, is putting much emphasis on porous border points suspected to be used as entry points by terrorists to Uganda.
People must remain vigilant, civilians. But on the whole, we have deployed sufficiently, particularly at those crossing points that we suspect. And we think that working with the population to get timely information, we should be able to mitigate this problem.
According to the Anti-Terrorism Act 2002, terrorism and supporting or promoting terrorism are crimes punishable by capital punishment. This means civilians or persons in presence of firearms but aiding and abetting terror activities will not be excluded from facing charges of terrorism once caught. In spite of this, Nkunda says to those officially in possession of licensed firearms have the right to use them in accordance to the stipulated criteria under which they acquired the firearms for.
You know, there are some guns in wrong hands, and police is working together with other agencies to identify where these guns are and get them back. For the civilians who get guns officially, the police is keen on making sure that only and only those who can explain a real threat will be armed. We will not arm everybody. We don't want to find ourselves in a situation like what is in America, where people have guns and kids are shooting at teachers. We will not allow that.
In January 2012, the government, through the Uganda National Local Point on Small Arms and Light Weapons, a department in the Internal Affairs Ministry, introduced a policy that called for a new legal regime to oversee the acquisition, use and storage of firearms. For WBS TV, I'm Jocelyn K. Nachiwole.